What is up, everybody? I'm here, and this is the brand new ride at Disneyland. This is Snow White's Enchanted Adventure ride point of view. So this ride is brand new. They just opened on Friday. This is the third day that it's open. So we're gonna go check it out and do a full point of view for you. So this is where the line for Snow White actually starts right now in 2021. So it's to the side, the left side of the castle. And it keeps going down here. It says only 20 minutes, but let's see how long. Yeah, so it starts here and goes all the way around. Lots of little detail.
To be sure to arrive safely, stay in your seat. Keep your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside, and only ask once for alerta por la palma de la reina.
Who we get?
Take care of Snow White.
Hi-ho, hi-ho, we'll talk to my sweet home.
So the ride is really good. It's quick, but it's very immersive with the special effects. They kept the old integrity of the ride, but they definitely added a lot of cool special effects and features and changed a couple scenes. They added like the mine train scene that you would see in Disney World Magic Kingdom. So a lot of cool special effects. Definitely one of the better slow-moving dark rides, as it's a new ride, so I would expect that. But definitely a good ride, and the wait was about 27 minutes, which wasn't bad from where I was. So definitely check this out if you come to Disneyland.
This man's name was Walt Disney, and his dream would be called Disneyland.
It's been said that as long as there is imagination left in the world, Disneyland will never be complete.
Imagination? We got a lot of that around here. Right, Tinkerbell? Atta girl, Tink. Sprinkle your pixie dust. Let's show them just how magical this place can be. Come on, everybody. Here we go.
Where you can dream aloud. Your heart